welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell symbol so you get those notifications when I post another video. Today, we're getting to do that Bass Pro Shops unboxing that you guys voted on Instagram. If you want to check out all my social media, link in the description. And also, once we hit 100 subscribers, 500, 1,000, we're going to be doing giveaways. And they're going to be building each time. So make sure you subscribe. But let's get right into this video and do this unboxing. So basically, I just picked up some springtime, summertime baits that I really needed to stock up on. And because the weather is just trash in Michigan right now, I decided to go to Bass Pro Shops, buy some baits, and you know, that's all we can do. But once I hit the summertime, I'll have a schedule of when videos are coming out instead of this sporadic through the months or whatever. But just dump all this stuff out. So this is a lot of stuff. So basically, I got some Tournament Series plastics. They were like 20% off. So I got 2 packs of just the 5-inch stick bait, sticko worms. Just in this like purple, what's it called? Sprayed grass color. I really like that color with that purple than, you know, the normal watermelon green pumpkin. But these ones have the paddle tails on it. So I'll be rigging those up with the shaky head, which is another one I got with some shaky heads. So we got 2 of those, you know, just cheap Bass Pro Shops brand shaky heads. Be throwing those in the summer and springtime. And we got some other Bass Pro Shops Tournament Series baits. So we got these little 3-inch stick baits that you throw on a Ned rig. So I just bought a pack of these, 2 packs and 1 pack, 2 packs, 2 packs of these to be thrown on them. These are 1/8 ounce, and those shaky head weights I got also 1/8 ounce. I usually fish my weights a little bit lighter because I'm usually fishing clear water. So those baits right there are actually for spring, maybe smallmouth fishing, for sure smallmouth fishing. Got a trip planned for Memorial Weekend that'll be using those. And so that's pretty much my springtime stuff. I got some more. Then I bought these. These are some summertime. Just some beaver baits. Tournament Series again. A little jig. 4th ounce jig. So those would be summer baits that I throw. Then I got some tubes. You know, smallmouth, love the tubes. I'll be throwing those also when I'm on that trip fishing the smallmouth spawn. Then just bought this. We're going to be in waders like my old smallmouth video. We're going to the same spot. Link will be up here in one of them. Yeah, somewhere up there. But this, so I can hold all my tackle in, anything I need. Really small. Because, you know, I'm not going to be carrying out a bunch of stuff on there. But I pretty much bought a popper. You know, just a little Bass Pro Shops popper. And a little, like, Rapala double jointed crankbaits to be throwing, you know, maybe in the middle of the day, at night, and in the morning, maybe a topwater bite. But we also bought some, forgot to add that, little tube weights. Throwing these, 1/8 ounce, something light again. Then bought, you know, some hair jigs. Also bought those. Just trying something new. But you guys will see what's going on when I post those videos. Hopefully get 3 videos out of that every single day. Should be very exciting and interesting. And just needed something I needed to get. Some trailer hooks for spinner baits. Those are very key. Catch so much more fish. Instead of missing fish because you're throwing a reaction bait, sometimes they swipe at it and you miss them. But then we got just some hooks. But these are the hooks I wanted to talk about. Zone lock hooks. They are a game changer. I'll show you guys what they're all about. But pretty much, this is like revolutionary technology. If you guys want to check them out, link is in the description. This is what it's all about right here. That bend. It's all in the bend. That's their logo. It is. I'm going to be testing these boys out. Should be good. You know, I hear you use pliers way more, like double compared to whatever else, because once these get stuck in the fish, they ain't coming out. So Zone Lock sent me a couple of those and that hat over there. That's a pretty dope hat. I'll be wearing that a lot. But we just got some wide bend hooks. 2 packs of those. Then we got some drop shot hooks and some flipping hooks that I could use for those beavers and stuff. But drop shot, we got some drop shot weights. Only 2 of those because I was making some Jika rigs and I'm going to be using those up there. And that's the swivel I was just using for the Jika rigs. But then rod sock, and that is what, the reason I bought this is because there's this, awesome. There's a setup on sale. Just a combo. There's like 50 bucks off a combo if you bought like Pro Qualifier 2 Bass Pro Shops rod with a certain spinning reel. So I bought this one, and this one's going to be the main, actually probably the only rod I use on that Memorial Week trip for those spawning smallmouth. It's 6'6", medium, fast action tip, and then 1,000 spool. It's Nasi Shimano reel, really compact, really light, really like the feel of this. I have fished with Bass Pro Shops rods before. You know, for the price, they're worth it, and you know, pretty dope color combo with that black and that gold. Really light. I'm gonna be throwing some 15-pound braid, wherever it says, yeah, some 15-pound braid as the backing. Some Yo-Zuri, looks pretty nice. Then just some Red Label 6-pound fluorocarbon as my fluorocarbon leader. That should be the go-to setup. I'll be able to fish everything, my Ned rig, my Jika rig, top waters, crankbaits, pretty much everything I can throw in that setup, the hair jigs. But yeah, that's everything I picked up. I tried to make this video as quick as possible and not drag on. If you guys want to know any more information, just comment in the comment section. But that is it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. I'll be doing, let me know what you guys want to watch, because right now the weather is still freezing here in Michigan. So let me know what you guys want to watch. I'll try to post as many videos as I can, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you check out Baitmate, all my sponsors, link in the description, and make sure you guys get hooked.
I'm OG, y'all new to the game.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis.